Hello everybody, this is Dr. Cole. It is Sunday afternoon, February 27th, and we're now entering week 8 of Political Science 1013 for the 16-week term here in the spring 2022 term. All right everybody, what we have this week. First of all, this morning I've tried to get an announcement out about an extra credit opportunity. The State of the Union address is Tuesday night, and you have a chance to earn 5 points extra credit for a write-up based on what you think are the main points of the State of the Union address to be delivered by President Biden Tuesday night, 8 o'clock Central Time. So you should have received an email, and there's an announcement up on the course website describing that assignment. It's a pretty simple assignment if you would like to try to pick up 5 extra credit points. We also have a quiz tomorrow. This will be quiz number 4. We have 2 articles to look at. One is quite lengthy from the Atlantic Monthly by Danielle Allen, and another one by Ellie Mistall, to do with the Constitution that we've been studying in Unit 4. Okay, so that will be available for 24 hours tomorrow, Quiz 4. Now, the midterm exam is 1 week from tomorrow. So once you get through with the quiz tomorrow, on Tuesday, you should be expecting an email from me detailing the reading assignment for the midterm exam, which will be Monday the 7th, 1 week after the quiz. Okay, now this will cover Units 3 and 4 on the media and the Constitution, including some questions repeated from quizzes 3 and 4 on the media and the Constitution. So that will be coming up 1 week from tomorrow. And I'll have more to say about that in the message that I get out to you next week at this time. Say just a bit about Unit 4. Remember, you have a quite lengthy reading assignment for Unit 4, and I hope you've gotten started on this. Of the 5 chapters, the 4 chapters assigned in the textbook, the most important one for you to look the most closely at is Chapter 2, and you'll find that pretty much parallels my class notes for Unit 4. We discuss the issues of civil rights, civil liberties, and federalism briefly in the class notes, and you find those issues discussed in chapters 3, 4, and 5 in your textbook. Also, be sure to look at the documents in the appendix that we've assigned you in the back of the textbook. The Declaration of Independence, the Constitution, and all the constitutional amendments, and especially the 2 Federalist Papers, numbers 10 and 51, that are also discussed in your class notes. Now, looking at Unit 4, we talk about the situation that led up to the Constitution, how it was that the Constitution got adopted the way it did, the original 7 articles at least. Then we try to go through the Constitution in some detail, especially the original 7 articles, the first 10 amendments, the Bill of Rights, the amendments adopted after the Civil War, the 13th, 14th, and 15th amendments, especially the 14th. And we also try to say a few words about the 25th Amendment, which makes provision for what might happen if the president were to become disabled. Part and parcel with that, we try to discuss the thinking behind the Constitution, and that is where Federalist Papers numbers 10 and 51 come in. You'll find those summarized in the class notes. I hope you will read through them in the appendix to the textbook. We try also to discuss the parallels between English and American constitutionalism and what those 2 bodies of thought have in common, what they both get from Greek political thought many thousands of years ago. So we try to draw parallels between ideas from Greek, English, and American constitutionalism. Okay. After that, we wind up the class notes for Unit 4 with a discussion of those issues that come up in chapters 3, 4, and 5 of your textbook: civil liberties and civil rights, and federalism, which refers to the division of responsibilities among local, state, and national government in the United States, especially the states and the feds, those being the 2 most constitutionally significant levels in our government, the federal government and the states. Okay, so I hope you'll be taking a look at all of that this week after you get through with your quiz tomorrow. And hope you will do the extra credit assignment if you wish and look at the State of the Union address Tuesday night. The midterm exam will be Monday the 7th. And so we'll be talking to you about that. About a week from now at this time, we'll have a few words to say about it. We will talk about what we'll be doing also after the midterm exam. So that will be a week from now. In the meantime, good luck on your quiz tomorrow and your exam 1 week after that. And we'll be talking to you again before the midterm about a week from now at this time.